Hi, Emily. How are you today?
Hi, Jake. I'm doing well. How about you?
I'm good. Today, I want to talk about something important.
What is it?
Today's topic is how to train your brain to speak English.
That's a great topic. Many people struggle with speaking.
Yes, most people understand English, but they cannot speak easily.
That's true. The problem is not English. The problem is the brain.
Exactly. The brain is not trained to speak.
So today, we will explain how to train it.
Yes, and we will use very simple words.
First, people need to understand one thing.
What is that?
Your brain learns by repetition.
Yes, if you repeat something daily, your brain remembers it.
That's why children learn fast.
They hear the same words again and again.
So adults must do the same.
Many people think grammar is the key.
Grammar is helpful, but it is not the first step.
Speaking comes before grammar.
Yes, babies speak before they learn grammar.
So don't wait to be perfect.
Just start speaking.
The second step is thinking in English.
This is very important.
Most learners think in their own language.
Then they translate to English.
That makes speaking slow.
So start with small English thoughts.
For example, say in your mind, I am hungry.
Or, I am going to work.
The third step is talking to yourself.
Yes, this helps a lot.
Talk when you are alone.
Talk while walking, cooking, or driving.
Your brain gets used to English sounds.
This builds confidence.
Many people are afraid of mistakes.
That fear blocks the brain.
Mistakes are normal.
Even native speakers make mistakes.
So don't worry about being wrong.
Worry about not practicing.
The next step is listening daily.
Listening trains your brain.
Listen to simple English.
Daily conversations, short videos, or podcasts.
Your brain learns sentence patterns. Another important thing is speaking slowly.
Yes, slow speaking is clear speaking.
Speed comes later.
First, focus on clarity.
Let's talk about daily practice.
Daily practice is the key.
Even 10 minutes is enough.
But it must be every day.
Consistency trains the brain.
Another trick is using simple words.
Simple words are powerful.
You don't need big vocabulary.
You need clear sentences,
Also, repeat useful sentences.
like daily life sentences,
Like, how was your day?
or I will call you later. Let's talk about confidence,
Confidence comes from practice.
not from knowing everything.
The more you speak, the more confident you feel.
Another tip is speaking with real people.
Yes, real conversations help a lot.
But if you don't have a partner, talk to yourself.
That also works.
Let's talk about patience.
Learning English takes time.
Don't expect fast results.
Enjoy the process.
Your brain needs time to change,
But it will change.
if you practice daily. So let's summarize.
Repeat daily.
Think in English.
Speak slowly.
Don't fear mistakes.
Practice every day.
If you follow these steps, your brain will learn,
And speaking English will feel natural,
not stressful.
not scary.
Thank you for listening today.
Practice every day.
Speak without fear.
And trust your brain.
See you in the next lesson.
Keep practicing. You can do it.